Hello, friends! Today we'll read words about summer, the sunny and fun season. Let's learn and have fun together. Sun. Sun. I see the sun. Beach. Beach. We go to the beach. Sand. Sand. I play in the sand. Water. Water. The water is cool. Swim. Swim. I can swim. Pool. Pool. We are in the pool. Wave. Wave. I see a big wave. Boat. Boat. The boat is on the sea. Shell. Shell. I like the shell. Towel. Towel. I have a blue towel. Hat. Hat. My hat is big. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. I wear sunglasses. Ice cream. Ice cream. I like ice cream. Juice. Juice. I drink the juice. Watermelon. Watermelon. We eat watermelon. Peach. Peach. The peach is sweet. Strawberry. Strawberry. I like a red strawberry. Mango. Mango. Mango is my snack. Park. Park. We play at the park. Tree. Tree. I sit under the tree. Shade. Shade. The shade is nice. Picnic. Picnic. We have a picnic. Ball. Ball. The ball is red. Game. Game. I play a game. Trip. Trip. We go on a trip. Camp. Camp. I sleep at camp. Basket. Basket. The basket is full. Sky. Sky. The sky is blue. Sunset. Sunset. I see the sunset. Flip-flops. Flip-flops. My flip-flops are pink. Good job, everyone! You learned many fun summer words today. Keep reading, keep smiling, and enjoy the sunshine. See you next time.